Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joe. Today we have Carissa.
Hi guys!
She's gonna help us make these
shower melts for your shower.
So the recipe will be down below. Check it out in the description. Where can we find you, Carissa?
So you can find me at Olive La Vida on Instagram. It's my lifestyle page. I talk all about motherhood, to oils, to natural living.
I'll put a link in the description below.
With the self-care, it's like everyone's taking a bath. And I'm like, not everyone has a bathtub.
Right.
Or has time to take a bath or whatever it is. So these are a great alternative to a bath bomb. You set them in your shower and then it just melts really slowly.
Alright, show us how to make these.
Alright, let's do it. So we're going to start by adding all of our dry ingredients. Half cup of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Gently mix the ingredients before you add your water.
We're adding 2 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons of water. Yeah, so we can give it a mix. And you get to do the fun part.
Yes! 10 drops of balance?
10 drops of balance and 10 drops of grapefruit.
Okay. I always overpour, so I'll go slow.
Overpouring is fine.
Okay.
I love this mix of
oils.
Whoa. Yeah, it's blue. It's a nice calming blend, grounding, and 10 drops of grapefruit.
Ah! It's so fast!
It is really fast.
This is going to be a calming but like grounding shower experience.
The 2 tablespoons of water you added are not going to be enough water you need to get the consistency, so you need a spray bottle because you don't want to oversaturate your mixture.
Gotcha.
Once you do that, it just gets too mushy and it won't dry. And
There's a splash zone.
You'll see it kind of like fizz too.
Whoa, really?
The baking soda. You like it?
Ooh, yeah.
You kind of break up the larger particles. The cornstarch gets kind of firm, but that's okay.
And what are we looking for?
So after you kind of get a good mixing, it smells so good. You can kind of play with it with your hands. And you want it to, when you squeeze it in your palm, to like firm up a little bit. So right now, it's getting there. I want to add a little bit more water. I'm just going to add a few more spritz and call it a day. It's time to pack it into our molds.
Yay! Okay. So we have these silicone ice cube trays that we're going to pack our little melts into.
So you just pack it nice and firm in there.
Whoa, it packs up really
It packs up
small.
really nicely, yeah.
You just go until you can't.
This size is actually perfect for the shower. You don't want it over like super big.
If you want Carissa to come back and do bath bombs, leave a comment below.
The firmer they are, the easier they come out, the less likely they are to crumble. But if they crumble, it's totally fine. You just put those crumble pieces into your shower.
So when do we know these are done?
So you can stick them in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes to harden them a lot faster, or you can leave them out for about half a day and they'll harden naturally. They actually look fine now.
Where should I put this when I put it in my shower?
So the first time I used a shower bomb, actually, I set it in the wrong place. It washed away too quickly too. Like in my shower, everyone's shower is different, so find the best place. I found that right under the shower head was best.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more sustainable DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. How much is too much? Because I'm just having a good time.
No, that's good.
Okay.